Hello. Good morning. How are you? I don't know why, but I felt like I wanted to start recording while I was in reverse. I'm in my driveway. I'm not gonna. Well, I could hit something, but nothing that's not already broke. So, oh wait, there's a cat. See, I spoke too soon. No, I didn't hit it, but if I darn things are so stubborn. They like charge at my car. Did There it is. Sorry. I didn't hit it. Okay, so here's the thing. We have like 12 barn cats right now. And they're barn cats, but they're like socialized and they're absolutely 100% obsessed with Ava. Like anytime the door opens, they have to check and see if it's her. And if it's not, then they just mosey off. And yeah. So like when she goes to wait for the bus at the end of the driveway, they line up along the driveway. And then when the bus picks her up, they just go back to the barn. It's like her little cat parade. But I think my point with that was, see, there's my chaos already, was that like they charge the car. When you're driving, I think it's like a game. They just like run towards the car maybe to see how quick they can get you to stop. I don't know what they're doing, but they're butt heads, and we love them. So if I can find a picture of Ava with all of her stinking cats. Most of them are orange or orange and white, and then the rest of them are gray. And one of them has like a little orange mohawk on top. It's so cute. I didn't introduce myself. Good morning, guys. My name is Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. Got a little sample of the chaos right off the bat. And if you are a returning friend, thanks for risking it and coming back. So, anyways, guys, I'm on my way to work. I just wanted to hop on here and say good morning. Got my coffee. I'm using my Angry Brew mug, driving up the middle of the road because, yeah, I was thinking about my coffee. I live out in the country. There's no other cars. It's okay. I keep reassuring you guys that I'm not going to, like, plow into something. I won't. I won't. That would make an interesting day in life, though, wouldn't it? Chaos Jen's first car accident. Ooh, I'd be mortified. You guys are going to be very surprised to know that the only cars I've ever hit, and this is when I was a new driver, were parked cars. Yeah. Maybe it's something to do with my attention span issues. I don't know, but yep. So, yeah, there's that. Let's not go for any accidents today. But anyways, like I said, wanted to hop on here and say good morning. I am working today, so a lot of my food is probably going to be pictures. I don't know. And yeah. Oh, you want to know what reminded me to record a day in a life today? Y'all will love this. So I feel like every time I record a day in a life, like there's something catastrophic that happens. Like the last time my water heater went out, and then the time before that, something else broke, and I can't remember what it was. But now my washing machine's broke. So that's what reminded me. I was like looking downstairs where our laundry room is, and then looking at the massive piles of laundry and trying to figure out if I'm brave enough to go to a laundromat or not. I don't know why. I'm not good at doing things for the first time. It makes me anxious. Once I do it, I'm fine. But yeah, so that's what reminded me. I have a major appliance that's out right now. And you know what really stinks? And this just makes me mad. I don't like dishonest people. We got on Facebook Marketplace because the washing machine went out on a Sunday. We got on Facebook Marketplace and we were just like, we're just going to get something fairly inexpensive, but something that's going to be decent because we're planning on moving until we move, and then we're just going to buy a new washer and dryer set. So we paid $200, which I know you could definitely pay more for a washing machine, but that's a lot of money for us. $200 for this washing machine. The guy plugged it in, showed us that it worked, and then we get home and we go to put water in it, and it's pouring water all over the place. So handyman Steve figured out where the leak was coming from. We bought a new part on Amazon. We got it last night. And now there's something going on with the motor not engaging. I don't know what that means, but it sounds expensive and it just makes me mad. This guy sold it to us, most likely knowing that it didn't work. And I just think that it just makes my heart sad to think that people do that kind of stuff nowadays. I guess if he needed the money that bad, then I'm glad we could help him. But we mentioned it to him. We weren't mean, but we were like, hey, we just wanted to let you know that this part on the washing machine isn't working, thinking like maybe he would say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know about that. I mean, we weren't anticipating that he'd give us our money back or anything, but he just completely ignored us. He read the message because you can see it, but he completely ignored us. Didn't even bother to respond. So there you go. There's my rant and rave section for my day in a life video. It just makes me sad that people that people continue to do stuff like that. Don't be dishonest. You could have scrapped it for metal or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to calm myself down and listen to my music now. Not Tom Petty today. I don't know what I'm going to listen to, but drinking my coffee, finishing my drive to work, and I will see you guys most likely at breakfast time. Toodaloo.
Okay, I'm going to get started on my water, and as you can see, my coffee cup is sitting right next to it. This is my new 50-ounce mason jar cup that I got from Amazon. I'll post a link to it down below. It is fantastic. There's no condensation. It keeps my drinks cold, and I only have to drink 2 of these a day to get all my water in. Alrighty, time for some breakfast. Here I have already heated up my Premier Protein pancakes in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Then I'm going to split 26 of the Lily's chocolate salted caramel baking chips in between the 3 pancakes. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free Great Value maple syrup for 1 point, and this leaves me at a total of 9 points for breakfast. For lunch, I'm having 1 serving of my skinny crock pot lasagna. This is 8 points. Then I'll be having a sugar-free cup of the cherry jello for 0 points. And I'm going to have a few of the sweet mini baby bell peppers also for 0 points. Afternoon snack is going to be a bag of these white cheddar veggie puffs I got from Sam's Club for 2 points.
Okay, alright guys, I am finally leaving work. I am on my way. I left my stethoscope on. That's good. Anywho, on my way to go pick up Evelyn from choir practice. She is practicing for her spring musical, which we're very excited about. And then I am taking her out to shop for a birthday outfit. So pray for me, because shopping with my teenage daughter, which you're probably going to find very surprising, is exhausting. I'm hoping we only have to go to 1 store. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes she's picky, sometimes she's not, but she's been really excited about picking out this birthday outfit for so long. It's gonna be a minute, but when we are done picking out said outfit, if she will try it on and let me take a picture, I will post that for you. So, let me hop off the phone here. I am going to eat my apple. These cosmic apples, guys, from Sam's Club are no joke. They are yummy. They are sweet and crunchy, but not dense. I don't know. They're good. There you go. My description of cosmic apples. If you haven't tried them, do it now. Did I intimidate you into trying one? I feel like I might have there, so sorry if I scared you. Alright guys, I'm going to watch the road because there's a lot of traffic. Sun shines and people want to go outside and get in my way. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay friends, sorry for the beautiful lighting. I don't know why it's like this. I almost wonder, I mean, clearly the sun's going down, but is it getting, I think my camera might be dirty. Imagine that. Anyways, I'm eating dinner on the go. I know I said I was going to work on my collab tonight, but it is 7 o'clock at night. We just got back from Ava's birthday outfit shopping. She picked out something super cute, but we had to do like 500 rounds of the store of her going, and then, Mom, will you see if you can find a large t-shirt? Because it's down on the bottom of the shelf and she doesn't want to bend over to look. Well, no, I'm not going to bend over and look. I'm wearing my scrub pants. You want my butt to hang out? So no, she did it. But again, that was 5 minutes of, Ava, come on, pick out her shirt or we're leaving. Ava, come on, pick out her shirt or we're leaving. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock at night. And I'm eating dinner in the car because I wanted to see my husband for a few minutes. And apparently I couldn't find my husband, just this creeper. So anyways, apparently the only time we're going to have to bond is, stop it, you focus on the road. The only time we're going to have to bond is in the car while we're on our way to the glorious laundromat. But there is hope for the washing machine. Steve found a part on eBay for $138. Yes, this jerk that sold it to us is costing us over $200 more just to fix it, but I still think that's going to be less expensive than getting another one. I don't know.
The washing machine was $800 brand new.
Yeah, it's an $800 washing machine, and it's only a year old, so we can get it working. And the part that he's spending $138 on is returnable if it's not going to work. So we're going to try that as a last resort. And yeah, I forgot what I was even talking about. We're going to the laundromat because the washing machine's broken and we want to spend time together. And I brought my dinner on the go. Aren't these little glass meal containers cute? So I've got super easy 3-bean chili. This is a WW recipe. It has no meat in it. I will link the recipe for this down below. It is 0 points for one serving. I mean, and it's 0 points for all the servings because there's no meat. It's all vegetables and tomatoes and stuff. And then I got these little mini tacos that we got at Sam's Club. They're 1 point a piece, so I'm having 4 of those. And for my dessert, which is not really my dessert because I'm having a real dessert when we get home. Maybe. I say that. I'll probably be too tired. I have to record a video and edit it tonight. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to have one of these bananas and cream light and fit Greek yogurt for 2 points. So this is a 6-point dinner, which leaves me with 5 points. It doesn't even start with an S. 5 points left for my dessert. So I will either see you back in just a second to show you what I'm having for dessert, or I'll see you back in just a second to close out the video. I don't know. It's going to be a surprise. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys. I can't find a quiet place in my house. None. Let me fix my hair while I cry. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm having for my second dessert. I mean, did that banana pudding yogurt really count as dessert? I don't feel like it should have. But anyways, I still had 5 points left, so I needed to eat them. And if my mouth is already blue, I apologize. But the reason it is blue is because I'm eating this birthday ice cream cake that I made in my creamy. Look at this. Look at this. Does that not look amazing? It is so good. So, technically, I could eat this entire thing for 5 points. I think it might be 6 points, but I had some the other day, so this is like my remixed version of it. Birthday cake flavored ice cream. It has a Great Value vanilla protein shake in it. It's got almond milk in it. It's got 1 tablespoon of sugar-free or vanilla sugar-free instant pudding in it, and a splash of cake batter extract. And then, to add some crunch, I added one of these cookies. And this is Goody Girl birthday cake flavored cookies. So the recipe called for like frosted, like low-fat frosted animal crackers or something. And this is the best I could find. So yeah, so one of these in it for texture. And then I bought a package of sprinkles, or like a bottle. This is a bottle. This day, guys, I'm so sorry. A jar of sprinkles to put in this, but it disappeared. So I guess maybe Steve or the kids ate my sprinkles. I don't know. Maybe not. No. Maybe Ariana made some cookies. But anyways, 5 points for this. I probably won't eat it all, but I'm counting the 5 points anyways, because that's what I have. Which means I ate 29 points out of 29 points for the day. So, good day of eating overall. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. Without your support, I would have no motivation. You guys are what keeps me going. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go. If you haven't already, if you do the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing, I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.